In this tutorial, I will show you Shape Builder tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. I have already drawn few shapes here to demonstrate Shape Builder tool. You can access Shape Builder tool from this tool bar. This is Shape Builder tool. Just right click and access Shape Builder tool. Shortcut is Shift M. Shape Builder tool create new shapes by combining and erasing parts of simpler ones. It can combine and erasing parts of the shapes. First of all, you must select all the shapes you want to use Shape Builder tool on them. So I am selecting all the shapes. This is mandatory. You must select all the shapes you want to use Shape Builder on them. So now I am accessing Shape Builder tool or Shift M. I am clicking here. What you can do, you can see a plus sign has been appeared with the cursor. So you can see now this is dotted line. It can extract these shapes. You can see this is separate shapes. It can identify it from these shapes I am selected. So I can merge all the shapes and make one shape from that using Shape Builder tool. So I am clicking and dragging with all the shapes you can see, and now this is an single shape. Then I am going to next shape. I am holding down Ctrl and selecting both shapes. You can see that now I am clicking in the middle shape. I want to extracting these shapes from the other shapes. So I am clicking here and you can see now I am selecting selection tool and you can see this shape has been extracted. Shape Builder tool extracted from the other shapes. Also, I would like to show you that I have merged here. You can also subtract any shapes from there. That is plus mode. If you hold down Alt from the keyboard, you can use minus sign. You can see I am holding down Alt and it becomes minus. So what it does with minus? It will erase the path. You can see it will erase the path and you can get a single shape with it. You can also erase any unwanted lines from the strokes. I am selecting these strokes. I am drawing it randomly to demonstrate it. So I am selecting, holding down Alt from the keyboard, and you can see when I am hover over the shape, then it is showing as red line. So I am clicking here and you can see the unwanted part of the shape has been deleted. You can delete or clean up any shapes by this way. So that was Shape Builder tool. This is very handy tool. So that was for this tutorial. Please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.